We've all had to plant trees and bushes in our yards before. Well, that's only one or two. How would you like to plant 20,000 trees? How would you do that? Well, today we're here in California, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to plant citrus trees, potted citrus trees. You can see the mounds that have been formed and the sprinkler hose that's already been laid out, and we're getting ready to plant trees. Here are the citrus trees we're going to plant today. These are the ones that go into the little bags, the Cuties. These are Tangos. You can see the little sock that's the pot, so to speak, that the trees are being grown in. That'll be planted in the ground with the tree. In the background you can see the bins. There's a lot of bins there. There's 50, 60 bins there with over 100 trees in each bin. This is a tree with a plastic sleeve. It's just a different way of growing it. Different nurseries do different things. Behind the tractor is the mechanical planter. It consists of a shank that opens the soil up, allowing the people on the back to slip the trees into that slot, and then behind that the equipment closes and packs the soil around the trees. Here you can see two guys standing up, handing the trees to the guy, placing them in the ground. If you look closely, you can see them taking the plastic wrapper pot off of the trees and hanging a bare-rooted tree. We plant these trees on the raised bed like this. This helps facilitate drainage during the winter. Citrus roots don't like to be waterlogged, so having the trees up a little bit out of the ground will keep the air to the roots. And it also helps with the maturity of the fruit. Once the trees are planted, we need to get the irrigation system back in place. Behind the tractor there's people putting the hose up on the berm, getting it in place, and then reinstalling the sprinklers. Here's a closer view of them installing the sprinklers and working with the trees a little bit, straightening them up after they've been planted.